As you engage in more complex conversations with ChatGPT, maintaining context is crucial. ChatGPT generates responses by referencing the sequence of prior messages, so providing a full history becomes essential for lengthy dialogues. However, given the model's token limit, we need to manage the conversation history skillfully, ensuring relevant information is retained even in extremely long exchanges. ChatGPT truly shines when conversations span multiple interactions or sessions. By persisting the conversation history, the assistant can refer to past interactions, ensuring continuity. This, combined with well-crafted system messages, can set a specific conversational tone, for instance, guiding ChatGPT to generate responses in a Shakespearean style. With ChatGPT, you also have a high degree of control over the output. Direct instructions, the temperature parameter, and max tokens work hand in hand to adjust the randomness and length of the output. This control is balanced with a strong commitment to safety and responsibility. While ChatGPT is designed to avoid harmful content or policy violations, we also provide additional safety measures such as content moderation tools for user-facing applications. And while ChatGPT is highly sophisticated, it may occasionally produce ambiguous or incorrect outputs. In such cases, fallback mechanisms can be implemented to refer users to human assistance or request more information. These errors are in fact opportunities to collect feedback, continually refining the system and enhancing its capabilities. In our quest to develop a robust AI, transparency is key. Managing user expectations and clarifying system limitations help prevent misunderstandings and misuse. Using ChatGPT is a journey, a balance between leveraging its powerful capabilities and ensuring responsible, ethical use. With these measures in place, ChatGPT can serve as a powerful tool, versatile enough to cater to a multitude of applications.